What's up there? So, this Masterlock 530 kept raking and picking it, and I was pretty sure it was open, but it was false, felt like a false set, and just nothing would move. And I figured it was Lock's fault, and started peeling it apart. And I found that both the shackle, a lot of gunk on there, and the, whatever you call that in there, actuator, activator, something. I had to pry the shit out of it with a screwdriver to get it to actually release the shackle. So I think I was popping the cylinder over and over and over and over again, and it just wouldn't move. So kind of confirmed by how easy it is to pop the cylinder now that it's not combined with the resistance. So I don't know, I thought that was neat. So we'll pull one of these apart, and now I can better understand the one that I still have together. Y'all have a good day.